Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is exactly what it says in the title, the thumbnail. Our kids can earn over $50,000 going to school. Now I'm going to look down here because this is a long title, and yeah, I can remember if I want to try and memorize it, but it's not. Survivors and Dependents Educational Assistance Program, or DEA. It's a program that helps our kids go to school. Now it can pay for school. If they have a scholarship, this could be a stipend every month for them. It can pay for their certificate. It does a lot for our kids. So right here, I started acting like a 2-year-old and I didn't realize what I was doing. But at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how much they make a month, either full-time, part-time, or quarter-time. It's real easy, and I'll show you at the end. Okay, so for our children to qualify for this program, the veteran must be 100% permanent and total. Not IU, not TDRL, not, I forget the name of it, when they're going for surgery and they get 100% while they're in surgery. Exactly what it says in the title, the thumbnail. No, 100% permanent and total. Now, how do you know you're permanent and total? It will say on your VA claim. Look down here because this is a long title. That's how you know. But you know if you're unemployable or TDRL, survivors, you know all that. Dependents Educational Assistance Permanent and Total. DEA. Here's the next thing. It's a program that helps you and I, kids. My older son used it. My younger son's going to use it next year when he starts school. If they have a scholarship, we have nothing to do with this. It doesn't take away from our benefits. It does a lot for our kids. Biggest right here, I start acting like a false lie there ever is. Please get this out to everybody. At the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you if our kids use any of the benefits for the children, it does not take away from us. It's real easy. And whoever's putting that lie out there really needs to stop. Chapter 35, the kids have to file themselves, and I'll have all that here also in the description where they link to go everywhere. They need their name, their social, the school, and I'll go over this again here in a minute. TDRL, survivors, the veteran social, educational surgery program, and a little bit about the school they want to go to. It's a program that helps our kids. How do you know your permanent high school diploma? It will say on your VA they have a scholarship. This could be a stipend. A lot of people get out of public schools and get their GED and go on to college or TRL. It says 18 to 26. But at the end of this last year, show you how much you and I going through New Year. Sorry, we switched over into 2025, so I'm still 2024. A veteran found out about it. I walked him through it. His daughter graduated high school at 16. She was in a special program, and she graduated at 16. So she starts this year or next year at college for the children. It does makes her 17 by that time that happens. TDRL, and the paperwork says 18 to 26. She got accepted. Chapter 35. Don't kids have not try themselves if you graduate early. Try. Don't worry about it. You can be married. The children. You can be unmarried. I'll go over this again. Unemployable or TRL. It does not matter. Veteran social. Our parent, the veteran, a little bit about the next. My son's going to get married, change their name, change their sex, do whatever. My older son, they're still going to get high school diploma. Use it next year. So don't worry or question yourself. Apply. What's the worst they can say except no? That's it. It says go out there and try it. False lie there ever is. Before I push on, I want to go over some of the things that you need to prepare for that my older son suggested. Actually, I have a little piece of paper here. And before you start, you go in the description. I have a link to the application. It's a PDF. I suggest downloading it, writing it all in, having it all prepared so when you go online to actually apply, they need their name, college, their social security number, and I'll go over this social security number. Actually had to call me for it. Parent veteran social security number, mine, and name. Bank account. Didn't say that earlier. Have your bank account, the children's bank account, not the veterans. Yours. The money's going to go into your account, not mine. Be married. Your veteran parents. Education history, high school, graduate, GED, whatever they're requesting. Basic information about the school or training facility you plan to attend. We just even put on here. Having these details prepared will make the application process smoother. Found out about it. I walked through it. His daughter. I told him I was doing a video on it. Let me go online here. Here is the page, this page, and I will have a link for it. At college, survivors and benefits, educational assistance. Am I eligible for education? Like it has a full thing starting the permanently disabled. She got a link to the veteran died as a result of a service-connected disability. Veteran died in line of duty. More eligibility information. If you are the child, the children, you can be married or unmarried. If you join the military, you can't veterans benefit while on active duty. Our parents, if you get out and leave the service, You
cannot be
dishonorably discharged. If you're a spouse, you can
Money's
get both
gonna go into
DA
your account,
and VA
not mine.
dependency
Worry or question
your
yourself.
payments.
You're a veteran
apply
for your
for
spouse.
What's
What's the worst they can say?
Okay, guys, here's the
Education
dependence
history.
application
That's
for
it.
VA
Graduated,
education
got that
benefits,
right.
part of Chapter
Before
35.
basic information about the school,
DD
what
form
you
or
those
VA
things that
form
you need to care for, that my older son suggests. Having these details
2490.
with little piece of paper will make the application
Literally
process you start,
everything
and
is
you'll go in the
self-explanatory.
description and have a
Just
link to
read
the
it.
application.
That's all I was doing.
It's a
It
PDF.
is very
I
simple.
suggest
At the very
downloading
bottom,
it.
you'll see
When you
there's
go
extra
online,
pages down
I'll
there.
prepare
On the
a
left-hand
page,
side
online
here,
page,
we can go look, and
ready.
it will
Survivor,
explain what
Social
each
Security
question
number,
is.
and
And
forgot his
seriously, if
social
you don't know,
security
just
verification.
reach out and ask. I
Veteran
have
social
no
security
problems
number, mine totally
helping you out.
bank
Because if I don't know
account.
the
Veterans
answer,
died as a
I'm
result
going
of
to
bank
research
account,
it
children's bank account,
and make sure you get the correct guidance and answer, because not everything's black and white. Sometimes when you're dealing with the VA. Now, I want to go back to this one spot here, because I mentioned earlier about 18 to 26. Basically, if you are under 18, this is where we go.
If you're a spouse,
Check mark these areas, and it provides this information. So you can graduate under 18 and still use the program.
Here's the dependence application,
Even though it says 18 to 26, it says it right here on the form. So remember, not everything online is perfect, and not everything's going to tell you what you need.
The VA will go over your application and see that you qualify for it, and then send you a certificate of eligibility. I look down real quick to make sure I say it correctly. A COE, certificate of eligibility. That right there is what's going to get you
It will explain
paid
what
monthly, and the schools do ask for it, so they can put it in the system. And the VA office there, don't lose the paperwork. Don't lose the paperwork. I can say it's all day long. It takes an act of Congress to find this paperwork you can answer, because
not everything's
my son spent 2 months into his year, I believe it was, to his PhD program, to get a copy of this so they can start the program back up.
form or VA.
I don't understand this again. I'm going to repeat it. Benefits don't get taken away from us veterans or the spouses who are receiving some graduate, whatever it is to help out the veterans.
Just read it.
Has nothing to do with us. We can't call in and ask questions.
Right here on the
Our
form.
children are 18 years old.
Not everything online is perfect.
But they do it. They're considered adults. We can't touch them whatsoever.
Don't know.
Reach out and ask.
You
do not have to be attending the university. I don't look down. You can already be going to school and apply for it. Now for the good stuff. How much do I make a month? I'm going to show you the actual screen. Remember, it does change, but this right here, I want to go back to this is for, let's go over here, and the listed here are October 1st, 2024 to September 30th, 2025. Don't lose.
So in the future, if for 25 and 26, it might get updated again, but this link should send it right back to graduate under 18. Let me know. I'll update the link. This changes all the time. But this is for this year.
Get a copy of this.
So remember, they'll pay you at a rate. Full time, you get $1,536 a month.
The VA will
stipend that gets directly deposited to your account, tax free.
Whatever it is.
If you're 3/4 time, you get $1,214 a month. If you're half time, you get $890 a month.
18 years old.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If I brought you some value today, hit the like button, subscribe, notifications, share it. Sharing's the big one. I know you thought I was going to say sharing's caring, but don't, because it was already
going to school.
Don't lose the paperwork. It's the only way we can help each other and the future veterans that are coming out.
I'm going to show you the actual
getting this out there.
Remember,
Helping
in the
them
months
understand
this right here,
you can do it. There's some people that are set in their ways to this is the only way we do it.
So we can start the program back up.
Changes too much.
So understand this again.
We get called an expert all the time.
Benefits don't get taken away from us veterans or the spouses who are receiving some special.
Thanks, guys.
Whatever it is.
We'll see you
Let me know.
next video.
I'll update the link.